Alam niyo ba, mayroon ng accredited recruitment agency sa BARM. Narito ang mga requirements upang mapabilang dito. Number 1, letter of intent or application. Number 2, duly accomplished application form for accreditation. Number 3, certified true copies of the Article of Partnership for partnership, Securities and Exchange Commission, and notarized updated General Information Sheet for corporation. Number 4, certified true copy of valid license. Number 5, certified true copy of business permit from LGU. Number 6, certified true copy of certificate of compliance with occupational safety and health standards. Number 7, certified true copy of fire safety inspection certificate. Number 8, organizational structure of the branch manager and staff members. Number 9, biodata and one passport size photo of branch managers and staff members. And number 10, rent or lease of contract for an office space measuring at least 50 square meters or proof of building ownership that will be used as an office or an identified portion thereof measuring the same. Specific address, location map, and picture of office facade and facilities. Magbayad lang ng application at accreditation fee. Para sa karagdagang impormasyon, magtungo sa BEPW Mole, tumawag sa 0966-240-8285 o bumisita sa aming official Facebook page sa Ministry of Labor and Employment BARM at Bureau of Employment Promotion and Welfare.